Headline News Update.
Good Thursday morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Thursday morning. We got 30 minutes to go until the start of trading. We got a mixed market right now. S&P's flat, trading at 4160. Got the NASDAQ 100 down 10 points, 13,480. Quite a slide this week in some of those tech stocks. Dow in positive territory. Dow making record highs yesterday. A little bit of a divergence there. You got a Dow strength, NASDAQ tech stocks with some weakness, and the Russell up by 1 point right now, 2238. Bitcoin up $500. We're trading at 57,810. Crude giving back some of the gains that we had this week yesterday. We're right now down 21 cents. It's 65.39. Gold contract catching a bid. We're pushing almost 1,800 at 17.95. Silver's up 47 cents at $27 on the dot right now. And notes and bonds. We get the 10-year up 2 ticks at 132.19. We're looking at a yield right now under 1.6%. Because of that rise yesterday, 1.58% now on the 10-year. You look from where we've come, we're talking about almost 2 full points from the lows we had at the start of April. The VIX this morning, volatility index, a little bit of a spike yesterday. We're sitting above 19 right now at 1912. We saw a real spike on Tuesday to 2185 in the volatility index. What do we have going on? We'll jump to the fundamental news of the morning. Jobless claims falling more than forecast to a pandemic low under 500,000, 498,000 last week. You had Virginia, New York leading with the biggest drops in claims. When you put it on a chart, there you see the decline. Some pretty stark numbers still when you're talking about almost 500,000 jobs, initial unemployment claims, but a fresh low. The expectation was for about 538,000. Last week's figure revised upward to 590,000. This ahead of non-farm payrolls tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Friday morning, we get April payrolls, expectation for about 1 million jobs. Be interesting to see what happens there. All right, let's jump around to some of the FANG stocks as we await the open. Amazon, a little bit of negative action, 32.68. We'll check out Facebook shares this morning, 314.55. Apple, quite a slide this week to 126. Yesterday, we opened higher, give it almost it all back. Today, right now, slightly in the red, 127.93. Amazon shares continuing to a slight decline, 32.68. And some of the movers this morning, we'll start it off with Uber. Uber out with their earnings last night. They're down about $2.50 right now, trading at 48.80. We'll jump into all that. Lots of stocks with earnings so far this morning, folks. Stay tuned. We come back for the morning market kickoff. Live programming all day at TFNN, folks. Stay tuned. I'll be right back in 3 minutes.